You see a new person, what do you ask them?
What is your name?
My name is Randy.
What are you eating?
Right now, I'm gonna eat some banana porridge with. You ask me a question.
What is your size?
My shoe size?
Your shoe size.
12.
What? What is your pet name?
My pet name is Kevy. Come sit down beside me.
Where am I going to sit down?
Me and him are go find someone. Come. You tell them how it is. Come.
It's young.
It is like firewood. Come here.
Who can I say no man?
Tell them your name.
Nicole.
Which Nicole? What kind of Nicole? Where do you live, Nicole?
Norway.
Which part of Norway?
Good intent.
Lord Jesus.
So now we hope this up.
Who is her father?
Crampy.
Say you know.
We are father.
Crampy, your father. The same Crampy will live up so?
Nope.
Already percent today.
I the same Crampy that I know him, you know.
You're lying. You don't know what you.
You drive a red truck,
Nope.
a red car,
Nope.
a red van,
Nope.
you have a red donkey,
Nope.
A red donkey. No, right there.
you have a red cow,
Nope.
I don't know, a red dog. You have.
Nope.
The same Crampy there.
Nope.
Liver. Senti. Walk a town. And he have one. No else.
You drive a red bus.
Nope.
No.
You have a red shoes.
Nope.
No.
You just wear a red t-shirt.
Nope.
You don't have no red Yanzi.
Nope.
Nope.
Nothing in the house no red.
Nope.
Nope.
Has to be.
Nope.
It must.
Nope.
Pure black.
Yes. Play black. So how you don't eat yet? Sir? How you don't eat yet?
So, what is your name?
Kayla Morgan.
And what school do you attend?
Cristela High School.
And are you getting good grades?
Yes.
You love school?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. And
Don't ask me no. Don't ask me that.
your book is The Fairy Tale?
Yes.
What is the name of the book?
Fairy tale.
That's the name of the book?
Yes.
And what is the story about?
The fairy tale.
What is in the story? Like, what is the story about? Like,
Fairy tale, the fairy tale.
what is the name of a character? Somebody in the book. Somebody in the story.
Fairy.
Fairy. And what the fairy do?
Remember.
How one book you ever read in your life? One.
Just like, I read one book, The Dolphin Tale. The dolphin tail cut. And then came to the hospital and he can swing his foot down, up and down. So I have to swing his side.
In foot? That's
The
foot.
tail.
Okay.
Can swing
In fin.
Yes.
Your foot. So we must call you dolphin foot.
No.
All right. Oh, no.
Come on, it's the person that the...
What size shoes you wear?
I love my slippers.
Wow. So you can go be a swimming champion for Jamaica.
Kawaii.
You run?
Nope.
Glass and a half of water. Every morning.
Some man I say boy right now, boy me not drink a what? No, me not want pee for bowl day. Kill him a kill himself.
You know want pee because if you drink the water, I go pee.
Yeah.
I kill yourself.
Afraid of it, time you go to the bathroom, and no matter feel like.
If me all
You drink
if
the water.
me all asleep after the night, I'm no pee all 5-6 times, I no feel comfortable. Cause I'm supposed to get up all 5-6 times for the night go wake water.
I even some of the food you can't clear. So some people have stoppage of water.
Yes.
Maybe because I'm not drinking enough water.
So you end up getting prostate cancer.
Yeah.
That's what caused him no the doctor thought to say you have top of your water, you have prostate cancer.
I'll wash
Because the thing, the bladder,
Yeah.
now wash.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the water where you drink wash out your bladder and keep your penis free.
Yeah.
Yes. So the water, not even the food, no important in your body like
Water.
the water. Remember, so when you drink water and you go to the toilet, you know, the water store in your body
Yeah.
and flush out the toilet bowl, you know. Because your body have a thing in it they then call the toilet bowl. The more water you drink, the more your toilet bowl clean.
That's true, man. That's true that.
When a man pass a winner, you smell it. What you think cause if you smell it? Inside the toilet is dirty.
Yeah, true, my dad. You know what I say?
Yeah, man.
In your toilet bowl inside of your body dirty. So you need to drink water to clean it up because all you have to do is drink the water because the body
Yeah,
by
you have
itself
to.
are doing work.
You have to. You
So,
have to drink water.
I hope things you have to know. If you
You see a lemon you go to the bathroom and go to the toilet.
you say if you can't eat that you have to do a piece of the skin. What your body do? Is take out the good part of the yam out of the skin and store the skin inside of your system and keep it there. For as long as you leave it in there, the skin in your body. No, if a man chop it on your hand so, as you get the cut, the body start activate the skin to heal back your flesh. That's what the skin do.
Activate the information from the yam skin.
Yes. So any kind of fruit with skin where you can't
Yeah,
eat.
this is what we talk about a lot.
Yeah, mango skin, all the orange skin with the rind.
Yes,
As long as you can digest them, you just eat them.
Yeah, man.
Because at some point in time, your body are going to need it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, so we know all of this.
And
And
it's stored.
them tell you, see you as you glove wash out. I best in that field. You have him to where shit.
Yes.
Because you see the stool and moving.
Yes.
Yeah, that is your prostate.
If no water now frustrate your prostate. I like how you don't drink no water for a morning.
Oh, you drink.
You drink already?
Let's go get a coconut water.
No, man, but coconut water different from natural
No, it's
water.
same thing, man.
I same thing.
Yeah, especially coconut water, you have a thing in it, you know. When call it.
Coconut. Let me tell you something. You see that the water there? The best water in the world.
Yeah, you have a thing.
You see if you drink 5 of this a day, you never get sick in your life.
You go back and tell you have a thing in it, man. Because if you're not a kid, don't drink that. You can't drink that.
If you're not okay.
If you're not a kid, you come first time you have kid, I come home with my mother there. I'm not coming man and taste just a long time never drink no jelly. And man, I'm not a jelly me drink. This is me right. And so when I go up, because I want place and I sell jelly for about $5. And I go and I buy must about 20 jelly. Full up on jug. And drink the jelly. And the Sunday, the day I work, I come home and she don't give me one thing what they call it there? Vegetables. I'm gonna eat the vegetables. And it's when ready to go on the couch. I couldn't go on the couch. I said, well, I'm trying to put up my foot can't move. And our daughter try and put me up on it. Couldn't put me up. And them at him say, call the ambulance. Call the ambulance, sir. He said, I said, what do you want? Yes or no? You call the ambulance. And so the ambulance come and we reach the emergency room. My first man, them say, them take care. Say, come here. And one woman come from a place in Russia. And both of them say, kidney specialist. I said, Jesus Christ, I can't go on, man. Take off our clothes. Take off, put on our uniform. And pick a crack, them bore me and put on big thing right, you know. Big
Needle.
But then put the needle and then get the vein. Put the vein and shove the thing in the vein. You understand? And start feed it with the thing. For like
Electrolytes.
not electrolytes. Something for clear vein.
Okay.
Because you know where you get from, you see all fruits?
Yeah.
You have a thing in call it again. I forgot what they call it. Like they use The same food they say they use when man get injection.
Yeah.
When you do anything on them, I get lifetime say inject the injection. I hate them give you fruit they come from. And then pull you up and then give you one dose of that. And then you start to right to your heart going.
Yeah, man.
You got to where the thing where they call it. Man. Every food carry.
So what happened that night?
Eh?
So they make, what them do with
The one says a lucky thing come. I can't kill this. I tell you, say I use the injection to him. To kill
And it's
people.
because you drank too much coconut?
Coconut, too much coconut water. You have a thing like
And your kidney was bad, so it make
you
it
never do work. You have to go for dialysis.
Oh yeah, cause you couldn't have to process that. You don't process the water too much, you know.
Yeah.
But you have to process because that have the inflammation.
No man, fruits. And if the kidney not fun, if you have kidney problem,
Be careful.
them tell them you have to take more amount of water you drink or amount of liquid for the day. They will tell you you can't drink no more than pint of liquid for the day.
Yeah.
Because you don't need the water, man, because you know guy bathroom.
You don't have nothing to work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why them tell us, look, don't afraid of drinking water. If first thing a doctor will ask you, when you go to the doctor, you drinking a lot of water, man?
How much water does you drink per day?
Yeah.
You can't too much. But when you have kidney problem, you can't drink too much water because you drown. You go up to your lungs and drown. Then the people that eating that drowned by the lungs. Water goes in the lungs.
Yeah. So it go.
So then lungs drowned.
So right now, a man I see a guy but I say, boy, you know, the right thing.
Come on, go about him so
Yeah,
often.
we go. No matter what time you take, even the night time. Go.
Yeah.
Drink the water.
Well,
Sometimes
we wake up at night time and we
water
don't
we drink a week time, a 24 roll on the box. And buy 4 cartons of that.
every week.
Every week.
So if we get text to buy some more water in.
Yeah, you have to drink water. You
buy 4 cartons of water every week.
Every week. When we drink water, ask her and she drink a lot of water too. And nothing wrong with that.
So can we run out of water, so I have to get text to bring more in.
Yeah, man, you want more water when I mercy.
You have to drink water, man.
You want to
Take it at me, tell you, man. I tell you, though, like,
man, I know that,
drink
man.
water,
I know that for a long time, man. Sometimes the people don't say, oh, I drink so much water. I say, you can't tell me your life, me I save.
that's true.
You drink a lot of water.
Because your kidney can't repair. That's one thing I'm tell you, your kidney cannot repair. You have to drink water.
When me get one of them, you see the big bottle of water where you buy? When me get one of that with me every morning, garbage, and me drink coffee.
Yeah?
Every morning. We make sure you get that another bag where you sit on the back. Until you see me, I go in the back in there.
Okay.
And I drink that every day. Plus what I drink it before I go in.
Oh, that's good.
Come back, straight to me ready for God.
That's very good,
Water
man.
can't jump. No matter no day hot.
No matter what they do.
You know, but I wait till you feel thirst.
Thirsty, just drink some water.
That is very good. Very, very good.
Very water do you hydrate your body. Because you know, when you have no water, your body, did you what they call it? Dehydrate.
Dehydrate.
Yeah.
It mess you up.
But I feel that, here's what I think. You see, our culture can really do better, you know. And it's pure ignorance. Because we don't eat as much salads. Whereas I cook every day. If a man cook every day, it's ignorance.
If you cook every day.
Pass the water from my place.
It's ignorance.
If you cook every day.
Yeah.
No, you do. We kind of cut out the cooking every day now.
Total ignorance.
That's right, to cook every day.
Total. You understand me? Every 3 days you must eat salad. Other 3 days, eat some. Just make some cucumber. But you say you mustn't blend everything neither. There's a balance to everything, you know.
Yeah, man, because
Can now check what happened. You see the saliva. You see if that no mix with the food. Same thing with the fermentation.
right,
Remember, I said God never make no blender, you know. So you have to be careful.
right.
Cause
So when
sometimes,
everything blend up too fine,
can you up now?
what happens to the stomach is supposed to work? Because your mind need work.
Pure sugar are going.
Yes.
When things blend up, you know, it give the body a hit like.
Yes.
So then the body change rapidly, but the saliva allow the food. And the saliva, the enzyme in the mouth, very important to the digestion. So you see when people are finding a blend too much, the body not work the way it's supposed to work. So they even gain more weight when they might even drink green juice.
Yeah, because down to the ma. Cause that's why your body have a thing in the name ma, you know.
Yeah.
We look like the greater.
Yeah.
So if you drink too much liquid and it don't have nothing to do with anything happen, you're going sick too, you know.
Yes.
Cause when you eat, you know, when you eat, you like how you sit down and say, you know. I like how we drink those Sprite this morning. Your man lay down in that get no job for you. But if you eat two bread and 2 eggs.
Yeah.
When you sit down now.
Are you walking down there?
No, go up the step.
When you sit down so now, then the man re-flemish the food. Because when you eat it, just go down and sit down, you know.
Yeah.
So the man now, when you sit down and relax now, him start to work. So he start pick out. Give the body the good part and send the bad part down the toilet. So not no long time you feel say you want to go to the toilet. And the man do that the job for you.
Wow.
And as you see, you take wash out, the best thing. I'm saying your stool is supposed to, you know, you.
For what?
A shop. Oh. Call Denny. Denny! Yo! Buy 2 score for me. When you come, me give back your money. Let's score the part thing. Buy 2 score. Buy 2 score for me.
Score.
You come the first time I have kid, I come and my mother there. I'm coming man and taste just a long time never drink no jelly. No. And man, how much of jelly me drink? I say, man. And so when I go up, because I want place and I sell jelly for about $5. And I go and buy must about 20 jelly. Full up one jug. And drink the jelly. And the Sunday, the day I work, and I come home, and she, you know, give me one thing of, what they call it there? Vegetables. And I make the vegetables. And you see, I'm ready to go up on the couch. I couldn't go up on the couch. And I said, well, I'm trying to put up my foot so my foot can't go. I said, yeah, and that try and put me up on it. Them couldn't put me up. And them at me say, I call the ambulance. I call the ambulance, where you call the ambulance, sir? He said, I said, what do you want? Yes or no? I call the ambulance. And you saw the ambulance come and me reach the emergency room. My first man, them say, them take care. Say, come here. And one woman come from a place in Russia. And go to them say kidney specialist. I said, Jesus Christ, I can't go on, you man. Take off her clothes. Take her and put her on her uniform. And pick a clock, them bore me on and put on big thing right, you know. A big
needle, syringe thing.
But then put the needle and then get the vein. Put the vein and shove out the thing in the vein. You understand? And start feed with the thing. For like
Electrolytes.
Not electrolytes. Something for clear
okay,
because you know where you get from. You see all fruits.
Yeah.
You have a thing in you call it again. Forget what they call it. They use. I see in food they say they use when man get injection.
Yeah.
When you do anything on them, I give a lifetime say the injection. I hate them give you food they come from. And then pull you up and then give you one dose of that. And you start right where you have to go.
Yeah, man.
Forget where the thing where they call it, man. Every food carry.
So what happened that night?
Eh?
So what them doing?
The one says a lucky thing me come. I can't kill you, not till I say something I use the injection to him. To be with kill
And it's
people.
because you drank too much coconut.
Coconut, too much coconut water. You have a thing like
And your kidney was bad, so it make
you
it
never did work. They have to go for dialysis.
Oh yeah, cause you couldn't have to process that. You
Yeah.
don't process the water too much, you know.
Yeah.
But you have to process cause that have inflammation.
No man, fruits. And if your kidney not if you have kidney problem,
Be careful.
them tell you have to know the amount of water you drink or amount of liquid for the day.
Yeah,
They will tell you can't drink no more than pint of liquid for the day.
Yeah.
Because you don't need the water no, because you know guy bathroom.
You don't have nothing to work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why them tell us, look, don't afraid of drinking water. If first thing a doctor will ask you, when you go to a doctor, you drinking a lot of water, man?
How much water does you drink per day?
Yeah.
You can't too much. But when you have kidney problem, you can't drink too much water because you drown. You go up to your lungs and drown. Tell the people that eating that drown by the lungs.